We all need time in our day to stop and to check in. One of my favorite ways is to do it by sitting in nature on this beautiful mountain. But you can go to the mountain in your mind's eye if you need to. And you can join me right now to do that. So you can sit comfortably, might be cross-legged, it could be with your legs out in front of you. You might even want to lie down. Close your eyes. And notice how just closing the eyes offers a place of rest. And I'm going to let you imagine that you're here with me on the mountain in the clean air, in the sunshine, enjoying the blue sky. And we're going to just notice the different parts of our bodies. So let your focus first be on your head and your face. Let them be relaxed. You can notice the sounds around you of people and nature or traffic. See if you can relax your face, your forehead, your eyes, your mouth. If you're lying down, let your head be heavy on the floor. If you're sitting up, let it be relaxed as if it were just dangling and resting on top of your neck. Relax the jaw and maybe let the lips and the teeth separate. Let your shoulders relax and drop down. Take a deep breath and feel your chest and let that be more and more open with each breath. Breathing bigger and fuller. And then letting your attention move from the chest and the shoulders right down through the arms, the elbows. Notice your forearms, your wrists, your hands and fingers. Let them relax and be soft. They might be resting on your body or on the ground beside you. You can keep them there or maybe move them to your belly or your rib cage and feel your belly and your rib cage get big and soft, and then relax and descend, drop down as you let the breath out. Notice your hips. If you like, you can place your hands there. Or just notice how they feel wherever you're resting. Invite them to relax. Now notice your legs, the thighs. Relax your knees. Notice the lower legs, your shin bone on the front, your calf muscles in the back. Can you let your legs be soft and relaxed? And then finally move down and let yourself be aware of your feet. The tops of your feet, the bottoms of your feet, your heel, your toes. Maybe they want to wiggle or stretch. Then let them be soft and easeful. Now let your whole body just take those nice full breaths. Picture that mountain or any place that would be wonderful and joyful to be right now. And you can stay there as long as you like.